Today we're going to be harvesting the reapers. There's a few of them on the plant, so let's get to that. This plant in I've had this plant in the greenhouse now for, it's got to be around 6 months. It's early September and I don't know how much longer they're going to last. We're lucky in Sweden here, we've got pretty good weather until maybe mid-September, October, beginning of October, but I don't want to chance it. I want to take in the ones that are good, and that's what I'm going to do now. So what I'm looking for is nice bright red colour. I've got a couple here that are green, if you can see that one there. And there's also some with a little bit of black on them, because they're very lime green and then they go black before they go red. There's a couple of nice on here. There's a couple of nice peppers on here. You can see that's got green and they're turning orange because they're going to go very bright red soon. Okay, so let's just get stuck in. Got a pair of scissors, got a bowl. Gonna try and put them all in, see what ones are looking good. This is ideal. It's got such a deep red colour on it. You can see that. It's perfect. There's no distinct like scorpion tail or anything on it, but I'll tell you what, it's very hot. Very nice. Oh, they're so nice. They're like a little bit like sun-dried tomatoes or something when you look at them. I'm going to take this one. It's got a little bit of green on it, but I'm going to take it anyway. It's got a wee tail on the bottom that's green. Okay, I think that's us. These specimens here, they're a little bit red, but they're also a little bit green. We've got a bit of traffic light situation on the go. I'm going to leave them another week or so and see how they get on. If they don't ripen up completely, I'll take them off because they're still delicious when they're green. They still add a great bit of heat and yeah, blow your head off. So the next plant we have is this one. It's like a Chinese chili or something it's called. I can't recall exactly what seeds I bought. But the chilies, they burst through in this like really deep purple colour. So you can see here. And then they eventually start going pale yellow to deep yellow to bright red that you can see there. It's an absolutely beautiful chili plant. It doesn't grow so big, and when you have all these chilies at different maturities, you have a lovely colour coming off it. So I would definitely recommend it. I'm pretty sure it's called Chinese chili. I will definitely get something in the description below and you guys can have a look and see what you think. I'm going to cut these chilies in place because the plant is a little bit floppy when I bring it up, so I'm just going to go for it and basically take as many as I can of the red ones, and we'll leave the purple ones and the yellow ones to mature a little bit more. There is enough of them, so it's best to take them off now before they start rotting or before they start falling off and I lose them. I'll definitely grow this chili again, so I think I'm not going to overwinter this one. I'm going to seed some of these. I'm going to dry them out, keep the seeds, and I will grow this one again next year. The red ones are they're more fruity and they're a little bit less strong, I find. The green ones are much stronger. The purple ones are much stronger, but the red ones, as they mature, they tend to get a little bit more mellow. A really nice chili. Yeah, there's quite a few red ones that are ready, and I think I'm going to leave the purple and yellows. Let them ripen up a little bit. They're so nice. It's such a nice plant. It's so colourful and great for growing in a greenhouse. Just adds that bit of colour in the corner, you know. they seem to stay on the plant well and not rot or fall off when they become mature. I can't see any in the pot below. Not like the jalapeno here. The jalapeno's got a habit of going red, and you can see here. Wait, what's that one going? It's got a habit of going red, and you can see here it's went from green to red, and it's just about ready to fall, and it falls off so easily. So what you're left with is a whole bunch of peppers that have fell off overnight, and sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. Okay, so I think that plant is looking good. There's still a few on it. I'll let them mature. It's of course stopped producing flowers, so I'm not going to get any new ones, but these ones that are on it, I'm going to wait until they're red so that they can be harvested when they're ripe. Okay, I've got one more plant. This plant is, I have never seen anything like it. I don't know what it's called. I got the seeds for, it's like a Lucky Dip seed packet that you get with your chili seeds when you buy them from this website. I can't remember the website, but I'll look it up and I'll put it in the description. Yeah, there's a lot of chilies on this plant which I'm going to harvest. So this plant, these little chilies here, they don't have much colour about them. They go from a very pale green to a very deep red, and they're very small fruit. I'm very glad I got this plant, whether it was Lucky Dip or not. I'm very glad I got it. I'm going to keep the seeds and I'm going to grow it again next year, because these are delicious. They're not nice when they're green, but when they're red, they are perfect. It's like a little apple or something, you know. It's very small, but perfectly powerful. It's not anything like the Reapers, obviously. They're in a league of their own. But for spicing up and just adding that little punch to a dish or a meal or even a sandwich, they're perfect. So yeah, great bowl of chilies we got. Great harvest from the Reapers to the Chinese 5-colour jobbies, I don't know what they're called, to the little apple-shaped numbers, and a couple of jalapenos, however you want to call it, in the middle. A good bounty, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe freeze them, maybe make a soup, or maybe make some kind of sauce. Yep, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, usual stuff.